What to do if you forget your Apple Watch ID password? He forgot the ID password for his Apple Watch. There's no way to crack it. Some friends asked him if flashing the device could solve the issue. Flashing can only remove the screen lock password, but it does nothing for the ID password. So, he can only solve it by replacing the motherboard. He removes the vibration motor. Next, he takes out the speaker. Then, he unscrews the clip securing the motherboard. He disconnects the motherboard from the back. He takes a new motherboard and starts reinstalling it. Puts on the clips. Screws them in. Next, he deals with the speaker and vibration motor. He reinstalls them, screws them in, and reconnects the cables. Connects the battery cable. Secures it in place. Puts the case back on. Connects the internal screen and powers it on to check. Successful boot. Tests the functions. No issues, repair complete.